Alright guys, there's a couple of bugs in my code, in my insertion function. Insert function, sorry. Okay, so I wrote the traverse code and the display code, and now there's a couple of mistakes in my um actually not in my insert function. It's in my node class, right? This should have been node, not int. I made a couple of mistakes. Alright, there we go. Now let me check if that works. If that gives us any errors. Alright, perfect. That was the only mistake we had. Okay, so what I did now here is just that because I have the traverse code, I have the insert code also. I made the main, okay, I made a object called bst, okay, of my tree class, and then I said bst and I inserted a couple of data inside of here. You know, basically what I tried to do is I tried to make this tree. This one right here. If I make this, there we go. So this is my tree that I put into code using the insert function. First I inserted a 40, so you can see 40 comes here. Then I inserted a 25, so you can see 25 went on the left because it's smaller than 40, and then I inserted a 10, then it checked 40 is greater than 10, so go to the left. 10 is less than, then go to the left, and there's null, so put the 10 there, like that. So we kept inserting and it automatically forms that tree which I showed you right now, this one. Now I displayed it and you can see the sequence is 40, 25, 10, 3, 17. If you look at this, it's the same exact format as the pre-order traversal, okay, display. So the point is that when you're doing a traversal, okay, then there's gonna be as I said, root comes first, then comes left, then comes right. So now this is a pre-order traversal. If you want to do an in-order traversal, then just change the sequence of the lines a bit. It's nothing much different. There's nothing else different. Okay, now this will change it into an in-order traversal. So if you remember, in order means that it is in order. So 3, 1, 17, 25, and you can see if I compare it to this one right here, you can see it is in order already. It's the same order as that. Now if I want to implement a post order, then we move root and we show it at the last. So if I run that, you can see that this sequence exactly matches this sequence here, except that I forgot to put the 40 at the end. After 93, remember we had the lines going out like that, so after 93 it's 78 and eventually it comes 40, so this should be a 78 after that, and then there should be a 40. So yeah, that's how this code works, how we've tested it. It works. Thanks for watching.